Hello guys, so today I'm unboxing some FIFA World Cup mystery box. Okay, so I have 3 here, and let's see what's inside the mystery box. Well, the mystery box from 2017, I guess. The characters are, I think from 2017, and I think they're still here. Well, they're not even here anymore. Let's just see. Okay, so this has a packaging. Oh, that was heavy. So it maybe be something cool. I don't know if like it's kind of hot, like taking out the kid. If you like the video, then I could do it. If you don't like the video, then I cannot do it. Well, I just want to feel what's inside first. Okay, I don't know what's inside here. No, there's something inside here. I think my hands are bleeding. Oh, it broke a bit of it. Bruh. No way. I just got an eagle. Well, the eagle doesn't look that cool. Well, it has the number 10 for Messi. And it's even blue and has here, pink this. And it also has a weird beak. Bro, where's its tail? Did they scam us? Okay. That was the most easiest to get. Well, second box. Wow, this is much bigger than I thought. Can you guess who's inside here? Oh, we got this, right? So you guess what's inside here. Okay. Who picks the leopard guy? Just like. Who picks the eagle? Again, well, you subscribe. And who thinks it's the deer or the FIFA World Cup trophy? Well, I think it's the World Cup trophy. You need to subscribe. I mean, comment. Okay. Next pack. Boost up my luck. I'm getting the leopard. Or even the deer that can. I think the deer, so I'm going to comment. Oh, I knew it was the deer. It was a deer. And it's a 7. He's Portuguese. Look at his legs. And his shoes, and look at him. He has a shirt with a ball. And he has a keychain. And he has a face. He has some red dots. I don't know. What? There's red dots. Let's just see. Okay, we are only missing one more. And that is the leopard that is also holding it like this. Then I think the leopard is going to be ugly. I don't know. Why do they come in long packages when they are big? Who thinks the trophy or one of the two or the leopard? You should comment it down below. Okay, I'm thinking. Go here. Bro, we got the same thing. So we didn't get the leopard. Awful. Okay. But at least we got one eagle. We got an eagle, a deer, and another deer, and that's all for today. Then you clean up this mess.